Hello, in this video we will solve 13 questions from APSC previous paper Prelims 2015. So question number 61, among the following alkyl halides the one hydrolyzed by SN1 mechanism is. So we know that SN1 mechanism is followed by 3-degree alkyl halide. So here option D is our 3-degree alkyl halide and this is the answer. So option D is correct. Next question, ethanol can be distinguished from methanol by. So four options are given. Out of this, B and D, Tollens reagent and filling solution are reagent which can be used to distinguish aldehyde or ketone. So we cannot so these two cannot be the answer. Next, option C, Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is used to distinguish the type of alcohol. Here ethanol and methanol both are 1 degree, so Lucas reagent will not help. Now option A, iodine plus NaOH. This is the reagent for iodoform test, and here ethanol, since it contains CH3CHOH group, it will undergo iodoform test, and that's why option A is our correct option. Next question, the EZ nomenclature of the isomers. 3 compounds are given and we have to you have to choose the correct option out of A, B, C, D. So we know that if the high priority groups are present in the same side then it is called Z, and if the high priority groups are present in the opposite side then it is called E. So here first one, in the first compound we can say that it is Z, since the high priority group are in the same side. Now in the next compound the high priority groups are in the same side, so it is also Z, and the last one, the high priority groups are in the opposite side, so it is E. So option B is correct. Next question, an organic compound X on treatment with acidified K2Cr2O7 gives a compound Y which reacts with I2 and sodium carbonate to form iodomethane. The compound X is, okay, here is a correction. The compound which is formed after treatment with iodine and sodium carbonate should be triiodomethane, because this reagent is used for iodoform reaction. Now here, if you know why K2Cr2O7 is used, then you can easily find the compound. Basically K2Cr2O7 is used for oxidation, and here option D is correct, because after oxidation option D will become a ketone, and that ketone will become triiodomethane if it reacts with iodine and sodium carbonate. So option D is correct. Next question, the number of molecules of phenyl hydrazine with which a glucose molecule reacts to yield osagon is. So the option C is correct, which is 3. 3 moles of phenyl hydrazine is required for the formation of osagon from 1 mole of glucose. Next question, the work done during the expansion of a gas from volume 2 meter cube to 4 meter cube under a constant external pressure of 2 Pascal is. So we know that the formula of work done is W is equal to minus P dV. So P here is 2 and dV means change of volume, which is 4 minus 2, which is also 2. So here the answer will be minus 4. So option A is correct. The next question, which one of the following is not considered as a state function in thermodynamics? So heat is not considered as a state function. That's why option C is correct. Next question, the heat capacity of a system can be represented by dq by dt. This is the correct option. So option A is correct. dq by dt is equal to C, and which is called heat capacity. Next question, if 5 kilojoule of heat is absorbed by a system and 280 joule of work is done by the system, then the change in internal energy of the system would be. So 5 kilojoule means 5000 joule, and if we subtract 280 joule from 5000 joule, we will get 4720. So option B is correct. Next question, the correct expression for the work done in reversible isothermal expansion of an ideal gas is, so since it is an isothermal expansion, so there will be a negative sign, and here option A minus nRT ln V2 by V1 is correct option. You have to know the formula of class 11-12 books because these are very important for this kind of exams. Next question, the heat of formation of ammonia in the reaction. This reaction is given. Now clearly we can say that after reaction of 1 mole of N2 and 3 mole of H2 we get 2 mole of NH3. But the question is, what is the heat of formation of NH3, means 1 mole of NH3. So if we divide the value of delta H by 2, then we will get the required answer. So if we divide minus 92.38 by 2, we will get minus 46.19 kilojoule per mole, and so option C is correct. Next question, van der Waals equation of real gases used two constants A and B to incorporate two modification into ideal gas equation. The constant B corresponds to, now there are four options. So we know that A and B, which are also called specific constants, are some constant which depends on two are so basically A and B depends on two things. A depends on attractive forces and B depends on volume. So option D is correct because B depends on individual volume of gas molecules. For 1 mole of an ideal gas, Cp minus Cp minus for 1 mole of an ideal gas, Cp minus Cv value is equal to R. So option C is correct because we all know that Cp minus Cv is equal to R for ideal gases. So option C is our correct answer. Alright, thank you for watching.